If you only bought candles that closed at high of day, you'd probably become a better day trader, and I'm going to prove that to you using statistics in today's video. You lose money day trading the stock market because you try to be different. What I'm going to teach you today is how to trade like a surfer. Does a surfer paddle out into the sea, stand up on their board, and hope that a wave comes? No, they wait for the wave to start, and then they jump on. Take a look at what's going on live and in real time behind me right now. This is a chart actually moving as I'm recording this video, and you can see our buy high of day strategy is able to take advantage of this huge move rather than being afraid of chasing or waiting for a massive dip to enter. No, just find where the waves are, get in, take advantage of the momentum that is currently happening. And therein lies the number one reason why beginner traders lose money. Because first quote you learn as you enter the stock market is Warren Buffett's, "Be greedy when others are fearful, be fearful when others are greedy." And then they try to transpose that into day trading, or really any form of active stock trading. You cannot take stock market education and transpose it across different forms of trading the stock market. Warren Buffett wasn't talking about day trading PPCB when he said that quote. He was talking about buying the fear in Coca-Cola and holding it for 15 years. So in this area, Warren Buffett was wrong. Obviously, he wasn't actually wrong. This is just not what he was talking about. Once again, you need to trade like a surfer when you are actively day trading volatile stocks. You need to be getting into the momentum. Take a look here. This is a move. Once again, it's PBCB, a move that happened earlier this morning. The buy high of day strategy gets in as soon as the stock announces news. During pre-market, of course, it prints up to high of day on heavy volume. So the strategy is in, and then it ends up riding out and getting out up here, which we will talk about this exit strategy as well later throughout this video, locks in the trade, and then moves on looking for the next one. What do most beginner traders do? Most beginner traders watch this move happening because guess what? In real time, like this is what the chart looks like, right? So beginner traders are telling themselves, I'm not going to chase that. I'm not going to chase that high. I'm going to wait for the dip, wait for the dip, wait for the dip. So they miss all of this action, and then maybe they're like entering this candle. Okay, finally it got a large dip, it's breaking down, it's kind of back to this support area. They'll draw lines to help convince themselves that this is a good spot to enter, whatever. They buy this dip, and by then you're too late. You've already missed the move. It's already all happened. You are now just buying backside because you wanted to feel different. You wanted to feel smarter than everyone else. You wanted to be buying where everyone else was selling, and you're just getting owned. You missed all the green, and even worse, you caught red on the backside. Before we get into the actual rules of the entrance and exit conditions on the strategy, I need to address the elephant in the room. I realized I haven't talked about them yet. These yellow candles. Why the hell are there yellow candles on my chart? This is very simply a custom study that I created in Thinkorswim that paints candles that close at high of day yellow. If you are interested in this study, I will put the share link down in the description below this video. All you need to do is copy that URL. Then within your Thinkorswim, you go to setup in the top right, open shared item, paste in that URL and import. And then just like that, you can come in and you can go to open and you can open up your DTS high of day paint study. And you can have these yellow candles too for free if you're interested. So the main component of the entrance condition for the strategy will be quite obvious. I'm not going to insult your intelligence. The candle must be closing at high of day. That is just today only, and it is today starting at 4 a.m. when extended pre-market trading starts. Like you'll notice here out of market open, these candles aren't highlighting yellow. The strategy isn't entering because it's still not at high of day. It's at high since open, but I'm tracking high of day all the way back to when pre-market starts at 4 a.m. However, there's also a second caveat to this. You'll actually notice it. There's a small little example, if you can see it here. There's a yellow candle, but the strategy doesn't enter this candle. Why? Because the stock only trades 9,000 shares of volume on this candle. I want to make sure that in my testing, we're actually simulating entrances on candles that we could actually buy ourselves too, right? So I also have a check built into the strategy that the candle must have traded at least 100,000 shares of volume. Now, before we get to the exit strategy, which honestly is probably 10 times more important than the entrance one, we need to talk about something that is the most important in trading first. Your entrance strategies can be so simple because all that really matters when determining when to enter a trade is speed and precision. So in order to maximize my speed and precision, I spent over $66,000 to access the data that I used to build my own stock scanner. This is a scanner that I have personally built myself. It updates 4 times a second. Every 250 milliseconds, it is updating both price action and news. So if a stock starts moving, you're going to be notified about it near damn about immediately on the scanner. Whereas other scanners you may use are using free stock data, which is roughly 15-second delayed. If you are trading highly volatile assets and breakouts on those assets, being 15 seconds too late to a breakout, honestly, you'd be better off not even knowing about it. You'd be better off not trying to enter late like that. That's why you end up getting crushed so often. And the cool thing about using this scanner in tandem with this strategy is they are basically built to go together hand in hand. This moving now section of the scanner, this top section here, will show you any stock that has moved up at least 3% within the last 2 minutes. And a requirement is that the stock must have also traded 100,000 shares in the last 60 seconds. So basically, if a stock starts breaking out on heavy volume, which is what we're looking for with this strategy, you will be made aware of it once again, bang, live and in real time. I mean, I can just see CCHH popped up. We can come over and click and look. And yes, this stock is down on the day, so it's not at high of day, so it's not for this strategy, but still, you get the idea. The stock just made a little 3-4% move up, actually continuing higher now. You got made aware of it right away. Also, on the top 20 gainers today list here, not only obviously are you seeing the top performers on the day based on percent gain, but also there's this last high of day column. So we can sort by this and we can see which of the top performing stocks have most recently hit high of day. That is also what this audio alert will yell out. If a new stock hits the high of day on the top 20 gainers, and if it does it on heavy volume, you will get audio alerted about that ticker as well. I don't say all that to try to sell to you too hard. I say all that to hopefully let you know that entering trades is pretty damn easy as long as you have access to the right tools. Once again, I spend over $66,000 a year to build what I believe is the best tool on the market, at least in this price range. Can you find faster scanners? Yes, there are scanners that are literal tick data, but you're talking about buying a terminal at that point for $25,000 a year. If you can deal with 250 millisecond delayed data, you can access my scanner for only $400 a year. Way, way cheaper. Obviously, there's also a monthly plan at $45 a month. And also, with either plan, when you sign up, you get access to 150 plus custom Thinkorswim codes, like the yellow candles that I just gave away, like the high of day strategy that we're talking about. Both of those are included alongside over 150 others. And you also get access to the Discord community as well. This community currently consists of over 2,800 members. It's a lot of people in here that have paid to be in here that are talking about trading all day. I truly believe being in a paid chat room community like this is extremely helpful. You know, you're getting a little bit more serious conversation about trading, etc. Once again, all of that is included at $400 a year or $45 a month. So my website's called daytradingstrategies.net. I will link it at the top of the description down below if you're interested in becoming a better trader today. Go click that link, get signed up, and I'll talk to you in the Discord. So now that you have a tool similar to my scanner that is putting you on these breakouts live and in real time, your entrance condition becomes pretty damn easy. So now, what do we do next? What do we do once we're in the trade? And this is where the real trading happens, and this is why most people don't make money trading. Because once you get in a trade, that is when the hard stuff begins. That is when all your emotions are firing, your heartbeat gets up. Oh my gosh, I'm actually risking real money that I've worked hard for in this trade. What do I do? So I've come up with an extremely simple framework, and it is simple for a reason. It's simple because of what I just described. Your heart rate's going to be up. You're going to be a little nervous. If you have complicated exit rules, you might fail them. You might not get out where you're supposed to. So my very simple rule, and it's beautiful because it works for whether the trade is red or if the trade is green, and it's going to help you make your losers smaller and, most importantly, make your winners larger. Because honestly, that's where most beginner traders go wrong. Your entrances are probably fine. Your stop losses are probably even fine. You're just not maximizing your winners. This exit strategy helps you do that. Let me stop ranting. Let me tell you what it actually is. It is my one below rule. So you'll notice that the strategy gets in here. It holds all the way up to 122% gain, ends up getting out on a pullback at roughly 100% gain. Holds this winner the entire time. Why does it sell this candle? It sells the close of this candle because this candle closes below the low of the previous candle before it. So that's really it. You now know the entrance condition, how to find the trades to enter, which is the most important part, and then the exit condition. But before we really wrap up here, let's take a minute to kind of go over the overarching point and principle of this video. Why should you only buy stocks that are closing at high of day? Beginner traders would hear me say that and probably hate it, disagree with me immediately. It just helps keep you from so much trouble. You basically guarantee that you are buying into strong momentum and you are avoiding kind of the example that we showcased earlier where you're getting stuck in the backside of the move. Listen to me. Does it mean that every candle that closes at high of day is going to have a 100% finish follow through? No, guys, obviously, of course not. There are things to do that will help increase the likelihood of this happening, such as only trading stocks that have just announced news, and specifically news with some key current buzzwords in them, which is what happened here on PPCB. This stock announced hot news at 5:30 this morning. The stock jumped up and you got this massive follow through. Moves like this happen multiple times a day, every single day. Once again, please, moves also, even on news, get pops and then fail multiple times a day as well. The idea is that if you're using an exit strategy similar to mine, feel free to tweak any of this to fit to your own trading style. Please don't ever watch a YouTube video from me or from anybody and just go try to blindly trade like I taught you here in 15 minutes or however long this video is going to be. There's a lot more intricacies and nuance that need to go into it based on your own account size, your own trade style, your own income, your own etc., a million different things that go into how you should trade. But if you're using a similar exit strategy to mine where you are looking to maximize your winners, even though you're still going to take losers, guys, guess what? I've been day trading stocks now for over 10 years. I'm pretty successful at it. And I'm wrong multiple times a day. Welcome to trading, right? Like, you're going to be wrong a lot. You're going to take a lot of red trades. Once again, it is all about how much can you maximize out of your winning trades. And I really just am a huge believer that trading in this manner, buying candles that are closing at the current high of day, is a great way to go about it. For those of you that watch my videos all the way to the end, I can tell you're taking your day trading education seriously. I can tell that means you're ready to take that next step in your day trading journey. I want to help give you a little push. I want to get you into your first premium trading tools, which I genuinely believe I have built the best package on the internet, at least anywhere near the price level that I'm offering mine at. So right now you can go sign up for the monthly or the annual plan, and you can use this have a coupon box here to type in code SAVE30 to take 30% off of your first payment. That's 12 months of access to a real-time stock scanner that updates 250 milliseconds alongside real-time news, 150 plus trading codes, and lifetime access to the Discord server, all for less than $280. Once again, if you've never bought a premium tool for trading, I understand it's scary. There's a lot of scams out there. Over 6,000 plus people are signed up to access this scanner. There is just hundreds and hundreds of positive reviews. I hope I can help push you kind of towards taking that next step in your trading journey. Please, I'm not saying you're going to come sign up and it's going to magically make you a profitable trader. What I am saying is that it's going to make you a better trader. It is certainly going to help on your journey towards becoming a profitable trader. You still have to put in the work. The work to becoming a profitable trader never goes away, but a premium tool like this one just helps to speed up that process much, much, much more. Anyway, daytradingstrategies.net, once again, linked at the top of the description down below. Go click, go get signed up today and become a better trader immediately.